Kinoronahan na bilang kampiyon ng Season 48 PBA Commissioner's Cup ang San Miguel Beermen itong Miyerkules ng gabi sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Yan ang ulat ni Rafael Bandayrel.
Nitong Valentine's Day, binasag ng San Miguel Beermen ang mga puso ng Magnolia Hotshots nang tapusin na nila ang serye sa Game 6 upang makuha ang kampiyonato sa Season 48 PBA Commissioner's Cup. Hanggang sa mga huling segundo, nagpupumalit pa ring humabol ang Magnolia. Kaya lamang naubusan sila ng oras hanggang natapos na ang laro sa score na 104-102. Matapos hirangin bilang best player of the conference, si CJ Perez din ang tinagurian bilang finals MVP ng serye matapos gumawa ng career high 28 points.
Next conference, championship ulit. Sana. Yun yung isang dadagdag ko sa goal ko and sa listahan ko. I never dream about sariling awards. Parang it's just coming na lang. Kung darating.
Nag-uumapaw naman ang pagkatuwa ni SMB head coach George Gallant dahil litaw na litaw ang performance ni Perez sa buong conference.
CJ's been a great player, he plays defense, he plays offense, but now he just showed his worth in this conference that he can excel pa, as a good player, he became a better player. So he did the things that he had to do in practice, in games, and this is where he is now. He won the best player of the conference and he won the MVP final. So what I'm saying is he's getting matured already. He's getting matured and I love it. All of his success, I love.
Malaking tulong din sa panalo ng Beermen ang mga kontribusyon ng kanilang outside shooters na sina Jericho Cruz at Chris Ross. All-around performance naman ang ipinamalas ng import na si Benny Boatwright nang magtala ng double-double 19 markers at 13 boards na may kasama pang 8 assists, 3 steals at 2 blocks. Ito na ang pang-29 na titulo ng San Miguel at yan na ang pinakamarami sa kasaysayan ng PBA. Rafael Bandayrel para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.